Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon is still moving up a little bit further, or is, in this moderate, let's call it a very moderate, corrective looking uptrend. Remember that in previous videos we talked about the potential here, as per this white wave count, of a larger A, B, C structure. This pullback was very deep, but that is not untypical for an internal B wave. And the move up here now indicates we could be in this C wave to the upside. Okay, so this is something that we can watch. However, it doesn't really give us a very clear upside pattern. Earlier today, I posted already on Discord that this looks like the next set of 5 waves up. So it is possible that this is actually wave 1 of C to the upside. And don't get me wrong, this is only a corrective rally with high likelihood. The rally between the 6th of September and the 13th of September was very clearly a 3-wave move. So my interpretation is this is an A wave, a 3-wave A wave. Then we had a B wave move down. However, that looks a bit impulsive. So I can't rule out that something more directly bearish is going on, but already the white count here is not really directly bullish. Short term, yes. Short term in the white scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to say, due to the 5-wave move up, and that's exactly why we are watching these microstructures so closely. Due to today's movement with a micro 5-wave pattern to the upside, I could add the next support region because it could be a micro setup. Let me explain. Whenever we have a 5-wave move into one direction, then this would indicate typically the trend direction. Now, of course, it's not as simple as that. We have to consider context and everything. And I have to say this is not necessarily high probability because this here I can't really call that a 1-2 necessarily, yeah. But it is possible that really on the micro, here's a tiny 1-2. Actually, the B needs to sit here. The tiny 1-2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 1. I'm not labeling really those nano structures here because I've run out of wave degrees anyway, and it's pointless. But we have possible 5-wave move up. The price should not go much higher then, but at some point form a local top. Until we really have a top, I will have to adjust this micro support area with the price because this wave 1 can still extend a little higher. If a pullback occurs now, the price should stay above 38.2 cents to maintain or to let's say, keep the white wave count alive. Because any break below 38.2 cents would be too deep for a reliable wave 2. It's already not reliable, but let's just phrase it differently. Below that level, a wave 2 will become far less likely, yeah? At the moment, this is what we can go with because the rally was so far in 5 waves. Yes, it's only an ugly diagonal pattern probably. Maybe it's actually an impulse in wave 1, but then this last leg up here is a diagonal. So my interpretation would be 1, 2. Then we had wave 3, might even have topped here, 4. And then this here could be a wave 5 now as an ending diagonal in wave 1. Then we get an ABC pullback in wave 2, and then we can look for higher from there. And that means this might be even an opportunity, even though it's only part of a larger corrective rally. Alternatively, as per previous updates, I've highlighted it here in blue. It might be that this B wave has topped already, but there's not any evidence for that until we break below 38.2 cents, until we lose support. That's the update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.